How to create an AI art with image for free. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how we can create an AI art with an image for free. So let's get started. What is an AI is an artificial intelligence that allows us to create art, and we cannot just create art with an AI. We actually can write content, and there are a lot of different types of AI available now, and there are free AI available for creating art as well, and that's what we will cover today. So let's get started. Now keep in mind, I will not be involving any kind of coding, and I'm not telling you. There are a lot of professional AIs out there, but they involve coding. And whenever you hear the word coding, it's a lot, and we cannot, work with coding a lot. So I will be showing you the basic and the easiest way to generate art with the help of an AI. So let's get into the platform. So the first platform that I have for you is going to be NFTart3D.com. Now, this is the platform I use for my NFTs to create AI NFT art, and it is same. You can also generate other kind of art with the help of this, but I use it for NFTs as well, and it works really good. So, and it's very easy to use, pretty good platform to generate content if you do not have any art. So for that, first what you have to do is you don't need to create an account. It's an online platform, and once you are here, you just have to upload any image, and this platform will convert it into an NFT, into a 3D art for you. You can also use it for other purposes. I use it for NFTs. So I will show you. You just have to click right here, upload an image from your computer. So I'm gonna go with this image right here. I selected it for my NFTs. So I'm just gonna click on open, and it will be added. Now we can also continue without the background if we want. And I'm not gonna do that for now. And you just need to continue with the background or without the background. So I'm just gonna like click on continue. So now we have to select that what kind of art we are looking for. It is going to be a 3D art for us, and we will be able to create NFT. And you can see these different types that I can go for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one right here, and then we just have to click on create your 3D art, and it will just take like few seconds for the platform to generate my art for me. You can see it's like almost 26% done, and it will just like take 100%, and my art will be created. Now this is like the simplest one, and here we have a lot of different NFT collections that are being created with this platform. And you can see these art right here. We can create really cool art using the platform. Very basic, and if you had no idea where to start, then this platform will help you. And so here we have our, NFT created, and this is actually going to be a 3D art. And you can see it has a 3D effect as well. This is how it, and you can see it has a 3D effect, and this is how it looks. So this is like kind of like a 3D art that I created with just an image in seconds, and it looks really simple. I went with a really simple one. Now I can just download it as a GIF, JPG, or MP4, and this is how you can use the platform. So then we have another platform that I would like to show you guys. You can now get more examples of it, but let's move on to the next platform, which is Night Cafe. Now this is an AI art generator. You can create amazing artwork using the power of artificial intelligence. This is another platform that I really like, and it helps me create really good art. Now let me give you, and let me show you how it works. For this one, we don't even have to upload an image, and we will be able to generate AI art for free. So for that, you just have to describe your picture, what you want to see. So let's say that I actually want to see space. Or let's go with the simplest, a house. Now we have to choose a style, then what kind of art we are looking for. Mad, cosmic, or cyberpunk. So I'm gonna go with cosmic, and I'm gonna click on create. So you will see that now this platform will create an art for me in seconds. All right, so it's creating. You can see 30% done, and it will just take us some time, and then I will be able to save my art. So you can see we have different arts. These are the arts that I already created. This was for Sandbox, and you can see this was a cosmic art. So this is how it looks on this platform. Now it's just creating the house for me, and it's done. It's almost done. And here we have our creation. I'm gonna click on view creation and let me show you the art that I created with an AI by just writing the word. So I went for house and this is what I got. This is the art that I have and it looks so good. I use this kind of art for my NFTs and for different purposes, and you can also do that now. So, this is how we use, this platform to create AI art. So, this is how easy it is to use an artificial intelligence to create art for us. Now, I'm gonna give you some more examples because it literally takes like 1 second. So let's go with another type now and another word. Let's go with maybe. So I'm gonna go with the word art. And now I'm gonna go with a matte art and I'm gonna click on create. All right, so again, it's creating my art for me. You can see it will just take like few seconds. So I can also, list these creations on my Night Cafe as well, which is an art platform, and these are the different creations that I already have. So now it's creating Earth for me, which is my new art, and it will just like take few seconds as I showed you before. And similarly on our, other platform that I showed you, like NFT art 3D, it allows you to create 3D NFTs, and right here we can create any kind of art. And it's like really abstract and really good art, a cosmic art. I prefer a cosmic art, and it's like it looks so good, and we have all of the different art aspects that we need. We can also create an account on Night Cafe so that we can save our different art creations that we have already done. What we can do is we can actually earn credits using Night Cafe. So I already have 1 credit right here for my art that I created. So with by earning credits we can also make money, and we can actually get a pricing plan for credits as well. For example, if I have like 100 credits, I will be able to like get a subscription. I can go pro with Night Cafe as well and avail more and more features. So this is actually pretty good, and even if you sign up you will get 3 credits on Night Cafe. And I think our art is done. I'm just gonna click on create view creation and it will show me my matte creation. It is being done, so it's like a little blurry from here, but this is what it came up with. You can see this art looks so good, and this is how I can create an art with an AI. It's an artificial intelligence, and look how amazing the art turned out. I can give you now another example for the third way, and again what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go with the house again for our cyberpunk. So let me actually show you how it looks when we create an art for cyberpunk. So I showed you the cosmic one, the matte one. This was the cosmic, this was the matte. So now we have another type that we can check out here. Why I'm showing you this platform? Because it's completely free to sign up for, no coding involved, nothing whatsoever, and we have an art as a complete beginner. First, we had no idea where to get started, where to create an art, and we are not an artist, not a graphic designer. So how to actually get an art with the help of an AI, with an artificial intelligence? So just go to this platform and it will help you create the art you need. So we're just get like they're running my art again for the punk one, and it will just take like few seconds to create the art, and I'll show you our creation. So here we have house for cyberpunk. I'm gonna click on view creation and I will be able to show you how it looks, the art that we just created. It's a cyberpunk art for house. Oh my god, look at this one, guys. You can see it looks so good in AI, and the best thing is that it's going to be a unique art every time, so there is no copyright issue, nothing. You will create a genuine original content for free. So this is our art right here, and all of the art that I just created, I am actually loving it, and I can now use this art for any of the platforms I want, earn as NFTs as well. And this is how you can also go ahead and generate art with an AI, or with and convert an image into an AI for free. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.